Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy crochet cat pet designs, beautiful ideas, new designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet cat pet designs, beautiful ideas. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy, mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. Those who love such type of crochet cat beds. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet cat bed designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful crochet cat beds easily in very reasonable price. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet cat beds if you know crochet work. Stylish color combination contrast is beautiful light and dark colors uses. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.